I remember feeling, oh my God, you know, how did this happen? Because a care home is a place where you expect your loved ones to be safe.
Jean Anderson lost her father Cleo in April 2020. He died in a care home where he caught COVID-19.
The culpability, as far as I'm concerned, is fairly and squarely with the Prime Minister and his Health Secretary at the time, was Matt Hancock. It's so disappointing, and I feel really saddened, and I feel angry as well, because, you know, when I think that my father could still be here today.
The High Court says the government acted unlawfully when it allowed asymptomatic or untested hospital patients to be discharged into care homes. But both Boris Johnson and the former Health Secretary Matt Hancock claim they were not advised about the danger of asymptomatic transmission at the time. Not true, says the former Shadow Health Secretary.
I was raising the issue around care homes right at the start of the pandemic, because everybody knows when an infectious disease hits that you're vulnerable in care homes are at risk. We were raising the issue of asymptomatic transmission, as experts were.
The 75-page High Court judgment lists 20 occasions where the government's own advisers and scientists raised concerns about asymptomatic transmission. Minutes from a SAGE meeting on the 4th of February note, asymptomatic transmission cannot be ruled out, and transmission from mildly symptomatic individuals is likely. A month later, at a NERVTAG meeting on the 6th of March, Professor Neil Ferguson from Imperial said the WHO report highlighted that infectiousness seems to be just before and just after symptom onset. And just a few days later, the Health Minister, Lord Bethell, told the Lords that large numbers of people are infectious or infected, but are completely asymptomatic and never go near a test kit.
By the end of March 2020, there were at least 9 research articles documenting spread before symptoms. So that's both people who never get symptoms and people who spread before they become symptomatic. It had been on TV. It was in several of the SAGE minutes that Matt Hancock could have seen and should have seen.
Jean deserves answers, and she needs accountability. Now, she is one step closer to learning the truth about her father's death. Ashish Joshi, Sky News.